Welcome. This is CBSE Grade 9 Mathematics, Chapter 7 Triangles. This question is from exercise 7.1, problem number 7. Myself, Simant, an educator for last 26 years and founder of Simant Tutorials. Simant Tutorials has conducted over 12,000 online sessions across 8 countries in last 5 years. I help or rather I like to help students with maths. Let me give an attempt at the next question. Now this question from exercise 7.17 is quite interesting. Usually maths is a language, I feel, and we need to be able to convert the statements or the information given in a problem into its mathematical statement. And if we are able to do that, then I think most of the problems can be solved quite easily. What do I mean by that? This is an experience that I have come across in my classrooms, whether it is offline or online. When I ask students to read this question, they and then write down what things have been given, they usually start this way: given. Very important to first write down the given part, because that plays a very crucial role in understanding the problem. So my students, or rather the students, usually are able to write this down: angle BAD is equal to angle ABE, and angle EPA equal to angle DPB. Okay, so they find this out. There is one more information given, that is P is midpoint of AB. So when I ask students, they say P is midpoint of AB, but when I ask them to change it into a mathematical form, they find it a bit challenging. I've come across incidences where they say that AB is divided into two equal halves. That is absolutely correct. But then what is a mathematical form for that? The mathematical form is, this means that AP equals to PB. Maths, if you understand the language of maths, things will become more easier in solving the problems. I'm going to try and collect as many such concepts that need to be transformed into a mathematical language, create a PDF file, and share it in the description box. Please have a look at that PDF file. Those will be concepts converted into mathematical form. So when you come across such concepts, say P is midpoint of AB, or uh, or say MN bisects angle ABC. So what does it mean? When I say MN bisects angle ABC, it means it divides the angle into two equal angles. So you should be able to identify which are those two angles and write them in the sum. Let's come back to this question. So AP is equal to PB. We are supposed to show or prove that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. And secondly, we have to prove AD equal to BE. Now, the proof is very simple. You should know that for proving the triangles to be congruent, you should know what are the different tests, right? Let's start with the sum. I'm going to start with angle EPA equal to angle DPB. Angle EPA equal to angle DPB. Now, if I observe this angle over here, if I add this angle to both the angles in one, then what will happen? Let's have a look. Angle EPA plus angle EPD equal to angle DPB plus angle EPD. So what happens? Let me use a black color for that. We have angle EPA to which we are adding angle DPB. So it gives us this entire angle DPA. So angle DPA equals to angle um, this and this will give angle EPB, right? Will give angle EPB. Okay, so with this we have one pair of angles to be equal. Now AP is equal to BP. Can we write that? AP is equal to BP. Why? It's given to us. It's given that B is midpoint and that's why AP is equal to PB. Just have a look. This statement, this information which was given, I converted into its mathematical form, which I have used in making as a step in proving what they have asked us. Right? We cannot write P is midpoint. That will not help us in proving what we are supposed to prove, right? So it is very important that you are able to convert the information given in words into its mathematical form. And then we have angle B A we have angle BAD, means angle PAD is equal to angle PBE. This is also given to us. So can we say that triangles are congruent by which test? We have um, 1, 1 and 1. Okay. So angle side angle. The triangles are congruent by angle side angle test. Sixth step, I will write it here. Triangle DAP congruent to triangle EBP by angle side angle test. And once you prove the triangles to be congruent, when you have to mention the remaining elements to be congruent, we can say that and write the reason as CPCT, right? So that's it for today. Next video on problem number 8 will be available soon. Thank you.